Darshan Kale. Today's date is 17 July 2024. Today's topic is control statement in Java. Java compiler execute the code from top to bottom. The control statement is the essential part of any programming language which is used to control flow programming. Java provides three types of control flow statement. First is the decision making statement. In decision making statement, if statement and switch statement. Second is a loop statement. In loop statement, there are four types of loop statement: while loop, do while loop, for loop, and for each loop. Third is the jumping statement. In jumping statement, there are two types. First is the break statement, and second is the continue statement. Let's discuss about the decision making statement. First is a simple if. Simple if statement. There are three types of if statement. First is the simple if, second is the if else statement, third is the if statement, and fourth is the nested if else. Let's understand the if statement one by one. First, simple if. In simple if statement, first check the condition. If condition is a true, then execute the true block of statement and control transfer to the statement X. Syntax of simple if condition in parenthesis. uh, statement uh, Statement 1 is true, uh, close the parenthesis. Second is the if else statement. In if else statement, first it check the condition. If condition is a true, then execute the true block of statement. Other hand, if condition is a false, then execute the else block of statement. Syntax of if else statement: if condition in parenthesis, true block, close the parenthesis, else, then else, close open the parenthesis, then else, false block of statement, close the parenthesis. Next is the nested if. Nested if is the if, in if statement, another if statement. The syntax of if statement: if condition 1, open the parenthesis, statement 1, if, then if condition 2, then open the parenthesis, then statement 1, then statement 2, close the parenthesis, then else, open the parenthesis, then statement 2, close the parenthesis, then switch statement. In switch statement, multiple paths to execute the program. It is the one of the case control statement. It is also known as the menu driven programming. Then second is a looping statement. In looping statement, iteration of value until the condition is true. There are four types of loop statement. For loop, second is a while loop, third is a do while loop, first is a for loop. For loop is a entry control loop. In for loop, first check the condition. In for loop initialization, then check the condition and increment decrement. The syntax of for loop: for initialization, condition, and decrement, open the parenthesis, then block of statement and close the parenthesis. Next, while loop. In while loop is also known as the entry control loop. uh, Entry control loop. The syntax of while loop is while condition, in parenthesis, true block, in parenthesis, looping statement, close the parenthesis. Then do while loop. Do while loop is known as the exit control loop. Exit control loop. In the syntax of do while loop: for do, in parenthesis, uh, then execute the statement, parenthesis close, while condition. uh, Next, the jump statement. And then first is the break statement. As the name suggests, the break statement is used to break the current flow of the program and transfer to the next statement outside. only inner loop. It is the case of nested loop.